Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. People talk about high-ticket residential jobs. I'm about to show you one. This one's over 2K. Cleaning all the flat work here. And this is a big driveway. Sidewalks going up to the front porch there. There's another driveway on the other side we can't clean today because there's contractors here. But we're cleaning all of this, the retaining walls. She added that fence, so that will be an add-on. We've got all 3 rigs coming here, so we should be in and out pretty quickly. I'm gonna clean this retaining wall here for her. It's beautiful back here. All of this. All of this. Cleaning that chimney there. Clean that swing and then that retaining wall over there. So, and then the other driveway is right there, but as you can tell, there's about 5 trucks and a dumpster on there. So we will be coming back for that. I've got a bunch of estimates and other errands to run, so I'm gonna work for about 2 hours, help these guys get a good jump on this job, and then I gotta go do some other things. Mondays are crazy. So, all right, well, got the surface cleaner staged. The other 2 rigs will be here shortly. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat this driveway. Go ahead and pre-treat that fence and get everything kind of staged and laid out, and then we'll get after it. I'm anticipating to be here about 4 hours, and then she'll pay us for the work we complete today, and then we'll be back to do the other driveway. So let's get going. All right, guys, got the whole crew here now. Business partner's gonna take care of the back. Lead tech's gonna take care of the fence. All this surface area, I'm going to work my way from the road back up, and then I'm going to go up the sidewalk and do all the detail work up there. It is 8:38. Let's crank up and get going. All right, guys, I pre-treated, surface cleaned, and rinsed. As you can see, there's some lines down here. So I'm going to get my X-Jet bucket right there. I'm going to X-Jet straight SH onto here, and these lines will totally disappear here pretty soon. So, I mean, this looks pretty good for just a pre-treatment, surface cleaning, and a rinse. Post-treatment, this will look fantastic. So I'm gonna X-Jet real quick and catch you back here in a little bit. Got the lead tech cleaning this fence using the M5 twist on fan. Looking good out here. Let's go see what the business partner's up to. smells saucy up here. It's smelling saucy. Woo, looking good. That's how flagstone's supposed to look there, boy. Look how big that dude is.
I'm weak. What up, you dude?
All right. Let's get back after it. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you all a little pro tip about brick steps. All right. See how there's moss growing out of this joint here? So if you go and clean these steps here, customer comes back and said, hey, well, you knocked out some concrete out of my joints. Well, no. The reason moss is growing out of these joints is because there's concrete already missing. So if you're ever getting a case where you clean some stairs, one, take pictures, you know, so you can go back and say, hey, there's moss in there. The reason there's moss in there is because these joints are already missing concrete, because that water sits there and grows mold and algae and whatnot. So, and you know, take pictures of that too. They can go back and say, you cracked my concrete, which we didn't. But I've had pictures and explanations save me time and time again. So, but obviously don't blast this with high pressure. I'm gonna come over here with a pump sprayer, sauce these steps, and then use my X-Jet fan and lightly knock this off. So I just wanted to show you that right there.